the incremental area and solid angle here. ठीक है, so incremental area which will be represented by ds and solid angle. Solid angle will be represented by DO. As we are referring a spherical coordinate system, we must know what is the incremental area in solid or in spherical coordinate system and what will be your solid angle. So if I am assuming that this is nothing but the radiations of my antenna, or this is the spherical coordinate system for antenna radiation, assume that whatever radiations I am getting is nothing but the isotropic kind of radiation, so I'll get this kind of things. Okay, so I'll say this is my z, this is my y axis, and then this is nothing but the, I'll say, x axis. Okay, so I'm talking about the incremental solid area. Okay, so अगर आप यहाँ पे बात कर रहे हो incremental area in terms of the solid angle, I can say this is my area, which is nothing but the say incremental एरिया. सो इंक्रीमेंटल एरिया ds, ठीक है, कैसे रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे आप? दिस एंगल विल बी कॉल्ड एज अ डी थीटा. ठीक है, दिस एंगल यहाँ से लेके अगर आप यहाँ पे मेजर करेंगे, दिस विल बी कॉल्ड एज द d5. ठीक है, दिस आर्क हियर विल बी रिप्रेजेंटेड इन टर्म्स ऑफ थीटा r sin थीटा d5. ठीक है, दिस आर्क, ठीक है, here it will be represented by, or I can represent this or this will be represented by r of d theta. ठीक है, अगर आप ये r of theta, this will be r of sin theta d theta. So if I'm talking about the incremental area ds, this into this, so it will be r d theta, r sin theta d theta. So it will be r square sin theta d theta d phi. So this will be the, either you can say this is nothing but the incremental area or infinitesimal area of the sphere. ये जो भी आप denote कर रहे हो, is either you call it as a incremental area or you call it as a infinitesimal area of the sphere. ठीक है, and you are going to represent this particular infinitesimal area or incremental area in terms of say r, theta and d5 components. So whenever you are writing this particular area, this will be ds is equal to r square sin theta d theta and d5. You just remember this particular incremental area, because we need to understand, or we need to find out this incremental area, need to understand this incremental area to understand the radiation intensity and a radiation density. Okay, now we'll talk about the solid angle. Okay, so how you're going to define a solid angle? So the definition of this particular solid angle we have already seen. From definition, the area r square on the spherical surface sustains a solid angle of 1 steradian. Okay, so I can say the area r square on the spherical surface subtends and solid of 1 steradian. So the total solid angle, अगर आपको total solid angle पता करना है, so the total solid angle subtended by area ds is कितना होगा आपका? d ओहम इज इक्वल टू ds डिवाइडेड बाय r स्क्वायर, क्योंकि आपका डेफिनेशन बताता है कि दिस इज नथिंग बट द एरिया r square on the spherical surface sustained and solid of 1 steradian. So this will be the ds by r square. So I'll just put the value of this ds, r square sin theta d theta d phi divided by r square. So this r square will get cancelled. I'll get a sin theta d theta and a d phi. So ds, sorry, in terms of a ds, if I'm going to represent d ohm in terms of the ds, will be sin theta d theta and d phi. So ds is nothing but the r square sine theta d phi, and d ohm, that is solid angle, is nothing but the sine theta d phi and